sounded like truck tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? 'Cause you don't sound like you anymore. Your pretty brown hair, you always loved it. Guess you didn't like it, so you just cut it, and that don't sound like you. No, that ain't the girl I knew. You always sounded like